What is intermittent fasting? Now let's look at intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting simply means constricting the number of hours you eat a day. Most people only eat between the hours of 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. The other 16 hours are spent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a great way to lose weight fast because it gives your body a chance to burn calories. If you restrict the number of hours you eat, you naturally eat less and your body actually has a chance to digest and burn what you ate. Depending on your day, you can adjust your eating hours to your schedule. For example, if you work night shifts, then you push your 8-hour eating slot later in the day. It doesn't really matter when you eat, just that you eat for about 8 hours a day. Though intermittent fasting may take a couple of days to get used to, your body will quickly adjust to your new eating schedule. As a result, you stop feeling hungry during your fasting hours.